Hey guys, so meme coins are not dead, and today I will show you how you can track this latest one by Ghostface Killa, the Wu-Tang Clan member. Is basically teasing a new meme coin. Here you can see if you don't interact, I'm not giving you the contract address. So you interact and he will allegedly give you the contract address and drop a new meme coin. The Solana co-founder actually retweeted this. Most likely his account is bought by some crypto guys that are posting it that they will basically launch a meme coin. Maybe they paid like 10 million or 20 million to Ghostface Killa, and he has a lot of followers, almost 1 million. Of course, he's basically tweeting, and more crypto people are basically following him. Now, most likely it will dump to zero after it pumps and goes up, but there still is a high chance to get 10x, 20x, 100x in these markets if you are early. And how you can be early is really easy. First thing you want to do is go on BullX. This is invite only. The invite link is in the description and in the comment section. Why you want to use BullX is because you can track wallets. You want to track the biggest wallets, for example, from Capsi, Waddles, maybe Ansem, and I will show you more ways you can basically get in front of most of the people and buy in the first seconds as he launches. So soon you will be able to follow specific accounts. Basically for this Twitter tracker, you will be able to follow, for example, Ghostface Killa himself, and as he tweets, you will see the contract address, and you will be able to buy in the first seconds on BullX, because on BullX you can set your own gas fees, which means that you can buy before thousands of people are buying, because if your gas fee is higher, you will get your transaction before everyone else that is buying on Phantom Wallet or on exchanges, because you cannot set your gas fees on Phantom Wallet or on exchanges as high as you can set on BullX. Next thing you want to do, you want to actually track his Twitter, and what you want to do, you don't want to just go here and refresh it. That's one of the slowest way that you can track meme coins or track accounts for meme coins. What you want to do is go on premium. This will cost you $9.99 a month because this is a premium feature. You go on this XPro, and what is XPro? I will show you. You can basically create lists. You can create lists of different accounts, of multiple accounts. For example, I have my main crypto where I see the main news. I have the top crypto venture capital investors. So as they are tweeting, it is here. You can see it is updating automatically. I don't know how to scroll. I don't know how to refresh. I don't know how to be late. Because most of the people are catching meme coins when they are 5 minutes or 10 minutes already in the rotation. After 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you stumble upon Donald Trump that he tweeted his meme coin. But smart people, the meme coin traders that are trading for hours in a day, they are finding these meme coins in first seconds, and that's why they are getting the big gains. And what you want to do, here you can see, I will actually delete this. So you want to follow Ghostface Killa, and if you buy in the first seconds, you will get gains. And you, of course, you have to sell in the first few minutes as well, because we are in a bad markets. This just means that you have to be fast in and fast out. So how you can add, you go on the basically XPro, you add a column, you go to lists, create a new list. So Ghost Face Killa. Next, here you will have some suggested accounts, but you want to add specifically Ghostface Killa because he is about to post a new contract address and you want to be fast. And here I have Ghostface Killa. I am tracking him. As soon as he tweets, it will just jump right here. I don't have to scroll. I don't have to refresh. And it is the cheapest Twitter tracker that you can get. There are trackers that basically cost you $30 a week, $60 a week. They may be faster, but they are really, really expensive. And in these markets, I don't think you want to be that fast. Doesn't matter. And yeah, that's basically how you can track tweets. Now, the second thing you want to do is here, set your gas fees as I already showed you. This is too high. For example, already if you set it right here like this and set your buy bribe, this will already set you in front of 99.9% of people. And when we are in a proper bull run, this will matter the most, because when people will be buying, well, hundreds of thousands of people will be buying, for example, some Baron Trump or some huge celebrity will come out. There is a high chance that Solana will be congested, that phantom wallet transactions fail. And the worst thing about buying with phantom wallet meme coins is that you have to approve token on Radium or Jupiter. You have to sign the approval transaction, then you have to sign the swap transaction, and it can take up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes if the transactions are failing. That's why I am using BullX personally, because you can set your own gas fees. How you can buy is really easy. Here I will show you. So you basically, I have 0.8 Solana. You have basically this ready, 0.8, and you can use one of these basically templates that you can edit, for example 0.5, and buy automatically. You will buy and you will be faster. You don't have to approve transactions, approve swaps. You just buy and you will buy it automatically. Of course, set your gas fees higher so you buy before thousands of people. And if you want to learn how actually use these new creations on PumpFun, about to graduate and graduated, and you can actually track meme coins every second, because this is a fast market, and right now there are people, for example, if you go on CallScan, you can see that people made $204,000 this week. Someone made 131, and here you can see the leaderboard. And I will show you this specific account, which is Leans. He made $16,000 this week, which is a lot of money. If you are making, imagine you make even $100 or $200 a day, you are already making more money than most of the people in the world, believe it or not. And why I want you to follow this account is because he actually has his YouTube account where he shows how he searches his meme coin, basically live trading. So you can see everything that he's doing, how he's searching the meme coins, how he's buying, what he's using. Most people are using BullX, but there are many other platforms that you can use. So that's up to you, but this is the fastest one. And yeah, I am not trading as he is because I don't have that much time. But here you can see he has a 2-hour streams, 4-hour streams, even 7-hour streams. And yeah, here you can see the leaderboard. People are actually making money. You can actually also track wallets. For example, copy here, go to BullX, wallet tracker, and add wallet. Here you will add wallet. And after you add it, you can see everything that they are doing. The last 7 days, for example, last 24 hours. And here you can see how much they have made, what they are holding. So really great tool. And that's why I'm using it myself. Because I want to be in front of 99.9% of people. Because one day, I think in 2025, we'll see a huge crypto bull run. That's why I am really bullish. And today, actually, as I'm making this video, MicroStrategy bought 130 Bitcoin at an average price of 82,000. So really great. And here you can see gold price actually hits record more than $3,000 per 1 ounce of Bitcoin. Gold price has climbed 13.6%, which is insane because the gold price, gold market cap is around, I think 13 or 18 trillion. And for gold to go this high is really huge, and I'm waiting for Bitcoin to do this as well. Hopefully Bitcoin actually does a new all-time high. I hope it will, and I think it will, because we see a basically global liquidity going up as the Trump slows down with the tariffs and basically with the trade wars. We will definitely see a huge crypto bull run, huge Bitcoin bull run, because there is no reason why gold is going up and Bitcoin is not going up. So yeah, that's basically it. Memecoin is still one of the biggest narrative. Here you can see every account that may be dropping a Memecoin. I'm following Dave Portnoy, Kanye West, Coinbase listings I'm seeing as soon as they list here, because the prices are going. For example, for Dog in Me, it went like 6 or 3x to 6x after this was tweeted. So imagine if you see this in the first few seconds, then you go to the Uniswap or any other decentralized exchange and you just buy it before everyone else. Joe Rogan has been talking about meme coins in most of, like 5 of his podcasts. So there is a high chance that he will make his meme coin when we are in the better markets. You can see some alpha from Brian Armstrong. FIFA will be launching their meme coin because they basically said it on the Crypto Summit when all the CEOs and leaders were at the table. Ansem is tweeting some alpha. He's talking with Kanye West about his meme coin. And Ghostface Killah, the latest guy that will be most likely creating his meme coin. And you can track him and make potentially 10x, 50x. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.